Lemil. I'm number 36, and today I'm going to talk about Georgia. So let's travel and welcome to Georgia. This is your general information about the place. Georgia is located in the United States, bordered by Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, and Alabama, and Atlantic Ocean is to the east. Georgia was founded in 1733 by James Oglethorpe as a British colony and named after King George II. It is well known as the Hollywood of the South. Georgia offers tax incentives, making it a top filming location. Georgia has a humid subtropical climate characterized by hot, humid summers and mild winters. These are some health tips that I recommend in order to visit Georgia. The first is has all your vaccines. The second one is has a travel insurance. This is recommended like Allianz or World Nomads. Always avoid rural water. For example, is is in Atlanta and Savannah is safe to drink water, and but we should avoid rural sources, and the food well is recommended skip undercooked meat and use repellent for bugs. This section is about useful tips, and here I highlight some tips in when you are visiting Georgia about general safety. In Atlanta, stick to well light areas in downtown at night and avoid empty marked cars. Always in case in for example case of these rural areas that I highlight is necessary that you carry with cash. And the second point, we have the emergency contacts, the nine emergency unknown emergency police that you can call 311 or the other number. The third point that say that English is primary, but Spanish is common in service industries. So don't worry. Don't worry if you don't know a lot English. The fourth point says that in rural areas, GPS can fail, so it's recommended to download an offline map. And always be friendly and greet, for example, like hi, and use small talks. These are two recommended tourist attractions that I put in my tourist guide. The first one in the left is the national park named after Martin Luther King Jr., an American Baptist minister and activist who became the most visible spokesman and leader of the civil rights movement. This is a tour where you can go to the house where Martin Luther King spent his childhood, and you can also visit the church where he and his father preached. And the second photo is about the Rock City. The one is a natural wonder atop Lookout Mountain that looks like something out of the fairy tale. And C7 States is a view and is the most famous observation deck where on clear days you can see 7 states like Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, and etc. In these ones, these are the service, well, some of the service and facilities. Something that I want to add is in the previous section, I just used two of the recommended attractions I put in my tourist guide. Okay, and let me follow with this part. Service and facilities. And here I highlight one of the luxury hotels that we can find in Atlanta and one of the motel of the budget friendly spot we can find in Atlanta. This is the in the left part, the luxury hotels, we can find this one. This one says that offers spa and pool with private cabins and is close to the Martin Luther King Jr. site and the Fox Theater. This hotel has these standard rooms, and these are the prices for each season. And in the left and the right part, we can find the budget friendly spot. Here is a motel. It's called Motel 6 Atlanta Downtown. It's said that it's located at 2 miles from Martin Luther King Jr. site and World of Coca-Cola, another attractive attraction. Is the price 770 per night and the perks free parking and pet friendly and so on and so on. So thank you a lot for your attention and I expect that you have enjoyed this explanation.